Hey thinkers, welcome back to Logic Unlocked. Today we are diving into one of the most elegant array questions, that is Leetcode 238, product of array except self. This is not just about loops, it's about smart pre-computation using prefix and suffix logic. So the problem statement here tells about you're given an integer array nums. You have to return a new array where each element at index I is the product of all the elements except itself. And you can't use division. We can't use division, so we need to think differently. We'll compute a left part product array, that is product of all the elements of the left of current index, right product array, that is product of all the elements of the right side. So we'll be taking this way. Finally, we multiply them to get the result at each index. It's clean, efficient, and teaches how to break down a bigger operation into small passes. So let's see the dry run of this. So I'll be taking you to my notes. This is my notes. So here we have taken two passes. That is, one is left one, which takes the product of all the elements which are at the left side of I index, and the right pass will be considering all the product of the elements which are right side of the index. So if we consider this array to be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, here it will be taking the left product as it is like left of 0 would be nothing, because left of 0 what, there's nothing, so it would be taking an empty, that is like 1 it will be considering, because it is product we have taken 1. Then left of 1 it is like 1, because already 1 we have taken here. Okay, that is answer of 0, we can consider this thing left of this. So next, left of this answers of 2, 0 1 2. So left of this there is 1 and 2, that is index I is equals to 0 and I is equals to 1. So we'll be producting 1 into 2. We are not producting the current element, so that's the thing, except the self product the remaining things, so we are doing the same thing. Next, answers of 3 in this index is 3. Index 3 means that is we are pointing to 4. So 4 we do not consider 4, but we are considering the remaining things as a product. So 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. So we have got a new array, that is 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 6. So same thing we'll be doing from the right side, that is we'll be going from right side. Here the cursor will be at 4, pointing at 4. Right side to the 4 there is nothing, so we'll be taking as 1. Then the cursor comes to answers of 2, that is 0 1 2, that is at point position 3. Right side to the 3 there is a 4, so into 4, 1 into 4, that is 4. Then it would be like we'll be going to this I is equals to 1, that is cursor will be pointing at 2. Right side to that 2 is 3 and 4, so 3 into 4, that is 12. Then cursor will be pointing to 0th index. Here we have 1, so right side to this 2 into 3 into 4, that is 6 into 4, that is 24. Here the product is 24. As you can see here, by producting all the things, we will be getting next 24 comma 12 we'll be considering, then 8 comma 6 we'll be considering. You can see here we are done with the second step, and the third step is we need to multiply the left product along with the right product. Here we have got 1, right? Like there's nothing on the right side to this, we have considered it to be 1. But from here answers of 3 we have 6, so 6 into 1 it gives again 6. Next, here we have considered 4, right? Because here like this, here answers of 2, 2 is already stored, so 2 into 4, that is 8. So we'll be updating these two, and even if we multiply 12 and 24, here 1 and 1 is there, so the same thing will be appeared. So the answer will be 24 comma 12 comma 8 comma 6. This is our product of numbers except self. Okay. And the big O of n is the time complexity, and space complexity will be big O of 1. Got it? So this is the code. As you can see here, left products is considered like this. It's a given a for loop, and we are multiplying the left side of numbers, which is less than I. And here, right products multiplying answers, which are right side to that I index. Next, after that, we are returning the result. Fine. Let's run the code. So absolutely done. So I hope you have understood. This is most important question. It develops your intuition, and you need to focus on such kind of questions which are not just for coding but for your typical thinking, some creative logical thinking. And some more points if I could add for this video, it would be, if you have asked it to optimize further, you can eliminate the left and right arrays and do it using output array and one variable for suffix. That's a bonus challenge. That's it for today's guys. Do comment and thank